How to cancel automatic payments on PayPal. Now, if you have a certain payment that you have automated and then you want to cancel that automatic payment, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the PayPal app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. Now once you're here on this app, all you have to do from here is what you want to do is you want to simply go to the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon from the top left, this is the interface you will see. And what you have to do from here is you'll find the option called payment. So you can also come to the payments tab right here, and here you'll find any sort of automatic payments that you have set up or automated payments, right? So all you have to do is select that and make sure to cancel them, and then you'll be able to cancel your automatic payment on PayPal. This way you'll be able to cancel your automatic payment on PayPal. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.